Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have a very special unboxing. And this one is of the XVIM. And this is an XVIM HD video surveillance kit. And of course their motto is your security our priority. And of course I like this box compared to my other security system. It came in a plain box. And of course I like the design and the presentation. As you can see right here, they have some basic ideas as to how you can use the product. As you can see, you can use it for your backyard, in-home security, garage, and of course large storage areas or spaces. And as you can see here guys, the side of the box basically has some normal safety stickers, also fragile and so on, protected during shipping. Same thing on this side and the same thing on this side. Now of course I'm just going to go ahead and open up this box. And right away guys, it's quite easy, and inside the box you do get two smaller boxes, and inside of these should be the equipment for this device. Now of course I'm going to stop these over here, and if you look right here, you have the XVIM quick user guide. I'll show you a quick preview. And of course it runs you through the setup of the device, shows you how to install the main components such as the hard drive and so on. So we're going to put this here. Of course there's the other quick start guide, and these are in various languages, so that's why you actually end up with two. So we're going to put this over here, and that's it for the main components of the box. I'm just going to put this to this side right over here and reseal the box. Now for the main star of the show, right over here, and we're just going to open these up, and as you can see right here, these are the main components. I like the minimalist size, and of course you get the connection cables which come standard. You do get all of 4 of these. These will run to the camera to supply both power as well as video signal being transmitted. And you put these back in. You do get this small adapter brick to power the cameras, and you do get this splitter that basically splits the power between all 4 cameras. If you have additional cameras, of course you'll need let's say you have 8 cameras, you'll need one that splits it into 8 and so on and so forth. But for now there's just 4 cameras in this set, so we'll put this aside. You do get these nice mounting screws that you can basically drill into the walls and then place these grommets in, and of course you can secure a camera to your walls. Alright, so we're going to put this aside. I'm going to focus on one of the main cameras, and you can see here, I'm going to show you the camera from the front. You can see the camera from the side. On the top here you have the adjuster, and of course there's this shield or lip to protect it in case of rain and so on. You have the XVIM logo at the side, and of course it comes in white. It can be adjusted and tilted accordingly, and of course there's the section right here that shows off the device and the main connector that allows you to connect to the cables over there and the power that's supplied here. Alright, so as I was saying guys, you can see the white and the black. You can see the mounting points. There are 3 of them. And of course the main area here through which the cable is fished. And of course there's the LED sensors, the cameras in the middle right here. And of course there's the IR sensor, which is the infrared sensor for the night vision. And as I showed guys, you can adjust the shielding depending on what you want. So all you gotta do is adjust the slider depending on the weather conditions in your area and so on. And that's it for the main setup of the camera right here. So we're just going to put this back into place. Now I'm just going to close this out. And while we're at this guys, I want to thank the guys at XVIM for sending me this product for review. And of course, if anybody's interested in sending additional products, you can check the website and you can just contact me and send the products over for review. And of course guys, again, here we have another adapter unit, and this one is to power the DVR, which is the digital video recorder section of the camera. You do also get this nice mouse, very lightweight, not bad. It's USB powered. That's to control the system. And right here you have the user manual for the DVR section of the device. Now I'm going to carefully remove this, and I'm just going to close this down. Now, something to note here, guys, put this aside, the main unit here is quite small. I was expecting it to be bigger, but it's quite lightweight. And you can see the XVIM logo, you can see the power. You have the H.264 network DVR, and I said the DVR stands for digital video recorder. So far there's the sticker on here with the barcodes, so you can get the code to connect to your device. And of course, guys, as I said before, it's very lightweight. Based on the weight, I can tell you already that there's a hard drive inside. It comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive, and of course other manufacturers will not provide you with a hard drive. So XVIM was nice enough to show you a 1 terabyte hard drive, and of course that could record anywhere from my experience from about 2 months worth of recording. Basically 500 gig would give you about a month, give or take, depending on how long you have the device on. So if you're doing both night and day recording, you would expect to get a solid month. But of course, if you do only day recording, it will be about 2 months. All right, so here again we have the back of the device. If you have ever used a DVR for a security camera, you'll know the general setup. Here we have 8 ports, meaning this can support up to 8 cameras. Of course, you have the VGA for a standard monitor that you can use to see what's going on with the system. There's the HDMI for your modern television and monitors. There is a Ethernet port to actually supply internet. Over here we also have the USB ports, and this is to add the mouse. And here we have the DC in, which gives you a 12 volt connection. Over here we have 2 audio in and audio out outputs, and so on. So that is the back of the device. And of course we're going to put these here, and as you can see, guys, the mouse, you do get the adapter brick, and of course the quick user manual. All right, guys, so for today we're just showing you the general outlay of this and to show you what you get with the package. Next video, guys, I'll go through the entire setup and actually show you how this thing works and how it performs. So this is just basically unboxing to show you what you get inside the box. So that includes 4 cameras, a mouse, the DVR along with a 1 terabyte hard drive already in, and of course you do get your adapters, your extra 4 cables, the splitter for the power, and everything that you need straight out of the box to get started. Alright, guys, it's Brother from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.